Namaste everyone. This is Divyangna Patel, a student of GV Academy, Tanda Ambedkar Nagar. Over here presenting some of my views on the education and examination system. Financial education and other personality development subjects are as equally important as the textbook and bookish knowledge for the robust development of a child. Well, honestly, our education and examination system are so good at point that it can make an intense development in a child. But at last, I just want to confer on my partitions of my subjects and the regular exams that could be a great step towards making our developing nation for the upcoming youth, regardless of any affecting any of the derivatives or etiquities. And it can be a big order in making our country a developed country from a developing nation. Thank you.
मैं डीवी एकेडमी की छात्रा प्रतिष्ठा पटेल आपके समक्ष परीक्षा पर चर्चा पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरे शब्दों में परीक्षा जीवन का सहज हिस्सा है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सन 2018 में पहली बार परीक्षा पर चर्चा कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया। इसमें शिक्षक, छात्र तथा अभिभावकों के द्वारा नई शिक्षा प्रणाली के तहत शिक्षा में किस प्रकार का सुधार हो उस पर परिचर्चा होती है। मैं यह कहना चाहती हूँ कि नई शिक्षा प्रणाली की कार्यप्रणाली बेहतर तो है, पर कुछ बिंदुओं के आधार पर सुधारात्मक विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। परीक्षा के दौरान रचनात्मक कौशलों के द्वारा छात्रों के तनाव को दूर करना, छात्रों को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना, परीक्षा के संबंधित डर को दूर करना, परीक्षा के दौरान मन को एकाग्रचित करने के लिए योग अभ्यास करना, औपचारिक रूप से उन्हें परीक्षा के लिए प्रोत्साहित करना। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, this is Shayan Ahmad, a student of DAV Academy, Tanda Ambedkar Nagar, UP. I am here to represent my views on exam stress. Most of the parents and teachers compare their child with other students, stating that they have scored low marks in comparison to the other students and try to make them feel guilty. It is good sometimes, but it results bad impact to that student sometimes. So I would like to suggest parents to reduce their habits of comparing their child with others and try to become support system and to encourage as much as they can during their exam time, so that the student can give their exam with a free mind and having no tension about their exam. At last, I would like to say a student must be judged on their qualitative analysis, not on its quantitative analysis. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, this is Sundu Sarfraz of class 11B from the school DAV Academy, and I am here to present some of my views regarding the examination system. Examination system of our country is quite complicated, though there is a need for some changes. The school should focus more on the understandable knowledge of the students than their competitive capabilities. There should be no difference in the facilities given to the students in public school and private school. There should be the addition of counseling classes for the students dealing with stress and any other traumas. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zara Fatima and I study in class 12. Today, I am here to express my views on Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023. Pariksha Pe Charcha is an event which is held since 2018 every year by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. It is an event which is held to bring together students, teachers, parents and society and to create a stressless environment for the students who are attending entrance examinations or board examination. In the sessions of Pariksha Pe Charcha, which is held by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, students, teachers and parents get a chance to talk with the Prime Minister directly. They get the chance to ask questions related to exam stress and how to deal with it. In the sessions of Pariksha Pe Charcha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has advised students to not take stress while attending examinations and entrance examinations. Parents are also given chance to ask questions to the Prime Minister and they are advised not to force their children and not to burden them with their ambitions. Teachers are also given chance to talk to the Prime Minister and also ask questions related to it. As said by the Prime Minister that students should study not to gain marks but to gain their knowledge and also to increase it. Thank you.